With an org-wide team, you can communicate with all of your employees, store company files, and schedule meetings. To get started, open Teams. Then, join or create a team. Then, create team. Name your team and add a description. Under Privacy, choose org-wide so that everyone in your organization will be automatically added. If you don't see this option, it's because you need to be an administrator. Select Next. You've created your company-wide team. Add a message welcoming everyone to the team, then send. When your employees open this team, they'll see your message and the latest conversations. On the Files tab, they can view and share company files. To add a document for everyone to see, just drag and drop it on the screen. You can visit the rest of the SharePoint site or add more sites to the team. Use the Wiki tab for notes or to share company knowledge. Click the plus sign to add more apps to the team, such as OneNote, Planner, or Adobe products. There's a lot more you can do with Microsoft Teams, like chat, calls, and meetings.